Hi there!
Hi there.
We're 75 days away from Disney 2018, so we're just going to be colouring in our countdown. We're always going to be colouring it in. Go, Roy!
Day 75
Okay.
in the records,
Here we go.
in the books.
You just zoom in, see what you're doing. We had this countdown made especially for us, and she actually hand drew all of the little Mickeys that you can see on there, which is lovely. We have got the ones on our phones as well, of course, but this is just beautiful.
Finished.
Yay, 75. I'll just do a little close up so you can see the little bits of artwork on it, which is really, really cute. And she's done loads of things like this for us over the few years, including like Disney birthday cakes and all sorts, hasn't she, Roy?
Yep.
So this is lovely.
Very clever girl.
Yeah. Okay, so for Disney 2018, there's going to be 7 of us from our family going. And for this year, we've been set up some park challenges. So we thought we'd share with you the first of our park challenges. This has been set up by our little granddaughter. So you can see that Tigger is holding some envelopes here for each of us,
yep.
Which we're going to open individually. So, see what we got.
Tigger,
Hey,
if you don't mind, Tigger. Tigger.
Go, Tigger!
Right.
Yeah.
First of all, right.
First one,
First one is going to be me. Surprise, surprise.
Roy the boy,
Okay.
your
Right.
granddad as he's better known.
Yeah, I could say other things. Okay, right, let's have a look. Right, and my challenge is
So what is yours?
Woody and Buzz Lightyear, please find us and take a photo with us.
Okay. Hold behind it.
I don't know if it... How do you do that bit?
If you can see, is that
Can
in
you see that?
focus? Okay, so...
I don't know how it gets to focus. I'm unfortunately sorry if you can't.
So this will be... So Roy, you are going to have to
Make sure...
find Woody and Buzz Lightyear and
And-
have a photo taken of you.
Easy.
So no
Not.
photo bombing.
Right.
Okay, I'll do next one.
Okay then, go on then.
Okay, so I've got Scarlett. That's our granddaughter.
Our little princess.
Oh yeah, princess. You've probably seen her, if you've been watching our videos, you will have seen her on them. Okay, so Scarlett has Gru and a minion. So should please find us and take a photo
Ooh.
with Scarlett. Right. Next, Roy.
Scarlet. Okay, right, next. Oh, Nana.
Oh, that'll be me. That'll be me.
Yep.
Can't wait.
Nana has
What have we
got
got?
to... Oh, you got an easy one. Chip and
Is it?
Dale. Please find us and take a photo with us. Nana.
Whoa.
I don't know if you
Chip
can
and Dale.
Yep, Chip and Dale.
Right, next. Oh, I can do next one.
You
I
do
can
next one. Go on then. Right.
Okay. So this is for Pete. This is your mother-in-law speaking, Pete.
Yeah.
Take note.
My NFL buddy.
All right, Pete. So, Pete, you've got Belle and the Beast. Belle and the Beast.
Oh.
Oh, that could be a tough one. Get them both.
How about Eurovision Song Contest doing this now, sort of? or no, the World Cup, isn't it? World Cup, that's it.
Nil.
Yeah, World Cup. Right. Christopher, see what you've got. Oh, man.
Father-in-law
Oh.
speaking.
Yeah, Chris. Chris, you have got Daisy and Donald. Please find us and take a photo with us. Chris.
Daisy and Donald. Okay.
Right, last but
Who've
not
I
least.
got? Oh
No, there is two
no,
more.
no,
Sorry, excuse
no,
me.
we've got 2 daughters.
Oh, yeah, I forget
Yeah.
sometimes. Two bigger
Got one.
princesses.
Yeah, the 2. Yeah. This is our 2 princesses, and this is for Lauren.
Sometimes.
This is Lauren. This is the eldest princess. Okay, and Lauren, should be well pleased. Our favourites. We've got
Woohoo!
Pooh Bear and Tigger. Yay!
So you can
Okay.
see, Lauren, that's what you got to do.
That means there's just one
Last
left.
but not least.
So there's got to be that'll be the Wicked Queen, isn't it?
Holly. Yep, right. Oh. Holly, Mickey and Minnie, please find us and take a photo with us.
So that's a fix.
That's
So
definitely a
she's fixed
fix.
it.
Yeah, well, you're actually going to find over there. Right, there you go.
So I said she's a wicked queen.
Right,
Not
there we
really.
have it.
Okay, so that's it. But we're just wondering whether any of you can help us and to find these characters. And if you can let us know where the best places you feel that we will find them, because I think we've got some tough ones in there. In fact, some easy ones. I
And
probably
some
have
easy
got
ones.
the easy one, Chippendale.
Yeah.
Yeah. And please subscribe. I think there's a button on there somewhere, not very clear. 'Cause I'm quite new to
this,
quite
so-
new to this. So please subscribe, because we're going to be doing a lot more of these challenges leading up, obviously, to our holiday, and then we'll show you what happens, and then obviously who is going to become the big park champion for 2018.
We'll see.
Ta-ta for now.
Ta-ta for now.